Hi everyone, this is my final reflection. So I just wanted to share from my vantage point. I also feel some of the same sentiments that many of you have shared, and it's really difficult to select those words to represent the vast and really impactful experiences as well as growth since the beginning of the DNP program. So being able to watch the evolution of each and every one of you through sharing your first and your last class um, is truly a privilege and really inspiring as well. So, with all the synergy created by being, really partners in learning, really elevates the learning experience. So I learned too. There's a great deal of congruence with the DNP program and population health, actually, as we started with the general kind of shared vision to empower each of you as ethical leaders. So with that shared vision, it drove the process. So the work that you all did together with the faculty, serving kind of as facilitators and organizers, and we, just as you did, deliberately implemented the best evidence in teaching practices to really ignite your success. And I'm hoping that we were successful in doing so. And what I'm reading, it is really cool to watch how you all have evolved. We had to really know you to be effective in our processes. So think about immersion and how we really learned about each of you, and the concept of doing with that is congruent with population health and choosing the best evidence for our population, so to speak, meaning our students. So how we really use those health principles. And in actuality, the community of inquiry is foundational for the cohort structure that we've used, and that's very congruent with population health. So the aspects and principles of population health really embody life skills that can be translated and used across the health continuum. And always remember that health happens everywhere. Just like learning. Learning always happens in different places, and it also happens absolutely everywhere. So please know that I continue to learn and grow with you, and thank you for my experience and providing me with an expanded perspective and insight to really continue to build my practice as well. So, kind of in reflecting on your final reflections, it is difficult to really figure out what words to say. What comes to mind is inspiring and moving, and though each of you have very unique experiences in your learning process, through that collaborative learning, you each impacted and elevated the outcomes for each other. And that's what's really incredible about the cohort process, because no two classes or cohorts are the same, so the learning experience is not the same. And again, my experience is not the same either, and it helps me to build as far as future cohorts as well, because I try to bring what I've learned from you all into the coursework as well. So just kind of keep in mind, always know that as an ethical leader, your power is from within. Our role as faculty was really to ignite, so to speak, your power within. And based on your reflections, you each have this very vibrant flame, so to speak. So continue to nurture that power. As you complete your DNP, this is really just the beginning for you, and the possibilities are absolutely endless. Great things, very likely beyond your imagination, will come your way. So I just want you to leave this with you. One of my favorite quotes, and I probably shared it with you more than once before, but go as far as you can see, when you get there, you'll be able to see further. So just kind of keep in mind, this is an ongoing growth process. This is not the end, it's just the beginning. So thank you for sharing part of your journey with me. It was truly a privilege and a pleasure. Thank you so much. Let me know if I can help you in any way as you move forward.